Hello gems, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a morning routine. So when I wake up, I turn my alarm off, check the time to see if I should get up, as well as sit on my bed. Pray in the morning, and I go to read my Bible and check any messages or respond to any messages I received when I was sleeping. Daily verse, I look to find a plan to read. And this day I was feeling that I needed to look for vision. So I use the bathroom and brush my teeth off camera. When you wash your face, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before touching your face. And make sure to get all of the dirt from under your nails before touching your face. All I'm doing now is wetting my face with hot to warm water to make sure my face is moist and ready for the scrub. The tip of my finger and rub it all over my face to make sure nothing is uncovered. Face for about 5 minutes or more, and I put my fingers in circular motions to exfoliate it even more, as well as once it starts drying after a little while, I may re-wet my face and then scrub it again. I get a fresh, clean feeling, and I rinse off the scrub and make sure I got everything off of my face. A washcloth to pat dry my face, and I don't put too much pressure, it's only light. Shower and I came back. So what you want to do is keep your face moisturized, and I make sure to get all over my face so that there are no dry spots or anything, or if I decide to put makeup on later, it's not going to be patchy. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.